Do you want to discover how to make millions of dollars investing, particularly in Tesla, the electric vehicle giant? As we break down every aspect of Chamath Palihapitiya's most recent revelation, keep your eyes glued to your screens. The brilliant investor Chamath, who has been causing quite a stir in the stock market with his accurate forecasts, has recently dropped a devastating revelation regarding Tesla. But before we begin, remember to show your support by clicking the like button and becoming a Tesla Stock News subscriber. Don't miss the exciting upgrades that are in store for you. Now that we've cleared that out, we can begin this video. The car industry is currently navigating rocky waters, and the new proposal from the unions is a major component affecting this transition. Upon closer examination of the ramifications, we see that Ford, a prominent player in the sector, might be subject to severe financial consequences. Had the union recommended terms been applied backwards in earlier years, Ford's financial records would have shown a startling $17 billion loss rather than a $3 billion profit. A $20 billion change in a company's financial performance could cause investors to lose faith in the company and change its future plans. Car prices rising is one way automakers might respond to these financial difficulties. However, there are several difficulties with this. As Jason correctly pointed out, a rise in car pricing could turn off prospective purchasers and reduce sales. Customers may find themselves reassessing their economic constraints and car preferences in this changing circumstance, looking for alternatives or postponing purchases. Tesla is unquestionably unique in the electric vehicle sector, both in terms of its products and its stock market success. One well-known financial analyst who has a remarkable track record of predicting market trends recently sparked conversations about Tesla's financial future. Thinking ahead to 2021, many were taken aback by Chamath's sudden decision to sell all of his Tesla stock. Many market observers were perplexed by this move, given his prior bullish view regarding the prospects of Tesla's stock. Chamath has continuously supported Tesla, applauding the company's creative moves and disruption of the market. Investment professionals and industry analysts are analyzing his most recent remarks, which are a combination of criticism, appreciation, and projections. We plan to carefully examine Chamath's complex perspectives on Tesla, including its innovative ideas, astute market positioning, dedication to renewable energy sources, and potential repercussions for the global auto industry. In-depth discussion will also be given to Chamath's tech-centric insights, sophisticated investment philosophies, and futuristic forecasts regarding Tesla's capacity to append conventional wisdom in the automobile industry. A persistent query in many industry discussions, particularly one I had with Steve lately, concerns Tesla's capacity to produce batteries. Does Tesla manufacture all of its own batteries, or is there another side to this story? At first glance, Tesla's place in the battery manufacturing industry might not seem clear. Their well-known connections to titans of the industry, including LG Chem, Panasonic, and CATL, have frequently made headlines. But looking more closely at their calculated actions indicates a noticeable change. Recent trends suggest that Tesla is inclined to support and strengthen its internal battery production capabilities. This is a daring move that gives Tesla a competitive edge in terms of pricing, as well as a strengthened position in a fiercely competitive EV market. It goes beyond a simple operational shift. Furthermore, innovation continues past battery gates. Tesla stands apart from the competition thanks to their innovative forays into the field of sophisticated robotization and their industry-leading over-the-air software services. The global automobile scene is undergoing something akin to a geological upheaval. In the midst of this changing landscape, Tesla stands out as a leader as well as a player, driving the forward with unwavering innovation and a vision that will undoubtedly transform transportation in the future. Several analysts draw comparisons between the titans of the business, comparing Tesla's revolutionary path to Apple's crescendo preceding the release of the iPhone. The world waits in anticipation as Tesla's innovations take off and its impact grows. With his extensive investment knowledge, Chamath has highlighted an impending turning point in Tesla's history. He thinks Tesla is about to have its own iPhone moment. According to Chamath, this could be the pivotal point that leads Tesla into a new phase of steady growth and market leadership. According to these forecasts, investors who share Tesla's vision may be in line for significant gains in the years to come. We've moved from the wide automotive business to a more focused area, where Tesla is a shining example that has been electrifying both roads and minds. Ford and other companies are currently grappling with union proposals, A story that embodies Tesla's journey compares it to a large-scale symphony, complete with climaxes and crescendos. When it comes to electric car innovation, the word Tesla is nearly synonymous. Tesla's development is exponential rather than linear, capturing the attention of onlookers and leaving them eager to see what comes next. This can be seen in the Roadster's early phases and continuing through the Model S and Model 3's groundbreaking influence. While many ag giants have left their mark on history, Tesla's journey is particularly noteworthy. It's about starting an electric vehicle revolution and taking the whole market to previously unheard of heights. It's not just about the drive. This paradigm shift, which Chamath so eloquently summarizes as Tesla's iPhone moment, signifies more than just innovation. It represents the transcendence of an industry. Similar to how Apple not only introduced a phone in 2007, but also sparked a revolution in culture, Tesla is poised to redefine mobility rather than merely promote it. We are on the verge of not just an evolution, but a revolution, a pivotal moment where driving may soon be redefined for future generations, as attention turns more and more to the vastness of electric horizons. If Tesla can find a way to make its vehicles more affordable, it may be able to dominate the EV industry. They have everything on the board to potentially monopolize as well as merely play. A quick note for the ardent Tesla fan. If this story excites you, please respond by interacting with this material and following the development of Tesla. When we delve further into Chamath's observations, we find a trajectory for Tesla that is not only hopeful but revolutionary. The next surge in demand might make Tesla's cash registers ring louder if car rates potentially drift lower. Combining innovative technology with affordability could be the key to Tesla's success. The situation appears favorable: rising demand, higher profitability, and a consumer market full of opportunities. However, Tesla's genius is seen far beyond the roads and pavement. Even though they have completely changed the way we think about transportation, their goals go well beyond just becoming adept drivers. The move toward renewable energy is evidence of this. Whether it's utilizing the sun's energy with advanced solar systems or developing cutting-edge energy storage solutions, Tesla has made a name for itself around the world and won praise and recognition from all directions. But this diversity goes beyond simply expanding. It brings to mind Apple's calculated shift from manufacturing famous devices to building a whole digital ecosystem around the App Store, iCloud, and Apple Music. Apple specialized in experiences rather than just things. In the same vein, Tesla's varied enterprises are more than just business ventures. They constitute an odyssey and a larger story. This Tesla story is around a mission and a serious commitment. These are not irrational forays into uncharted territory, but rather a sincerely held belief. Their efforts in the field of green energy are a perfect fit with their mission to promote environmental consciousness and sustainability. Every solar panel that is installed and every kilowatt of energy retained by Tesla contributes to the company's reputation as innovators who are paving the way for a cleaner, brighter future for the Earth. This is consistent with Chamath's vision of a future in which Tesla's energy endeavors serve as its cornerstone. In earlier discussions with CNBC, he emphasized this more expansive outlook. For him and many others, Tesla is more than just an EV maker. Strengthening the feelings surrounding Tesla's green initiatives, he predicts a trillion-dollar valuation in the future. Elon Musk's ambition to optimize human potential, store energy effectively, and harness it all while being a steward of the world was appreciated by the speaker. Musk's goals for Tesla's renewable energy division are more than just sound business plans. They also sparkle as windows into an exciting, more sustainable future. Another aspect of Elon Musk's grandiose vision becomes apparent when we follow the trajectory of the company from its inception to its remarkable successes in the electric vehicle space. Tesla's contribution to the field of renewable energy. The story of Tesla is now about electrifying our homes, businesses, and maybe the entire planet, not just about electrifying our highways. The unconventional CEO of Tesla, Elon Musk, emphasized that the company's vision has not changed even though supply chain issues have limited the company's ability to build its energy business. The energy sector is poised for explosive growth, potentially even outpacing car production rates when these administrative obstacles are resolved. Why the intense attention to energy? The consciousness of the world is changing. Globally, as societies become more climate aware and ecologically conscious, there is an increasing demand for renewable energy. With its array of cutting-edge energy products, including sophisticated energy storage systems and solar solutions, Tesla offers a response to this growing need. These goods are more than just commodities. They are a step forward in the development of a green, dependable, and sustainable energy paradigm. In his insightful remarks, Chamath compares Apple's clever third-party app connections to Tesla's supercharging partnerships with other EV companies. Elon Musk has a sharp and broad vision. He views alliances and partnerships as possible treasure troves rather than just handshakes. Seeing the calculated actions that Tesla has been taking, it's difficult not to make comparisons with Apple's enormous financial successes. The sheer notion that Tesla may license its groundbreaking fully autonomous software adds credence to the feeling, implying a time when Tesla's power and income streams will extend across several tiers of the transportation system. Zooming out, you can see Tesla's worldwide canvas, which is a mosaic of growth and innovation. Their gigafactories, which are sprouting up like contemporary marvels across continents, are a reflection of the quick spread of Apple's iPhone, a technological marvel that went from being an innovation to a phenomenon practically instantly. The tale is significantly deeper when it comes to Tesla, though. They are building factories and assembling automobiles, but they are also creating a story that crosses countries. This is a story about renewable energy and sustainable mobility combined into a magnificent symphony, with Tesla playing the conductor's baton and leading the globe toward a peaceful, environmentally friendly future. After making these connections, it's impossible to avoid wondering if Tesla's path has reached a turning point that will emulate Apple's after the release of the iPhone. The goals are lofty, and Tesla appears to be headed in the right direction under Musk's creative leadership. But as with any great story, there will be ups and downs. The market for electric vehicles is like a gladiator's arena. It's full of complicated regulations, difficult production issues, and intense competition. But Tesla's story has always been one of resiliency, flexibility, and facing challenges head-on. There is a great deal of room for profit, and if the past is any guide, Tesla is adept at seizing opportunities. Examining this story in detail, it's fascinating to the future appears bright, if not impossible. But how do you feel about this? Do you think Tesla will be able to maintain its lead in the EV market? To what extent do you believe their energy industry will influence the development of a sustainable future? Please click the like button if you like this in-depth look and are keen to learn more about everything Tesla. Subscribe to Tesla Stock News for updates and in-depth analysis. We appreciate your participation today and hope to see you in our upcoming videos.